Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter cookies without eggs. Full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and gather peanut butter, sugar, 1 egg. Substitute like applesauce, flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix peanut butter and sugar until smooth, then stir in 1/2 cup applesauce and 2 cups flour until combined. Roll into balls, press with a fork, and bake 8 to 10 minutes until edges set and tops are cracked. Use natural peanut butter to avoid excess oil and chilled dough to keep cookies from spreading too much. Swap 1/2 cup sugar with brown sugar for deeper flavor, and add 1 teaspoon vanilla for aroma. For crisp edges, flatten slightly before baking or chill dough for 15 minutes. To make gluten-free cookies, use a 1-to-1 gluten-free flour blend. Taste and adjust salt since peanut butter brands vary in saltiness. If cookies spread too thin, add 1/4 cup extra flour or chill the dough for 30 minutes. If they are dry, reduce baking time by 2 minutes or add 1 tablespoon milk to the batter. For crumbly cookies, press dough firmly and let them cool fully on a rack. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container for up to 5 days or freeze in a zip bag for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.